Getting refund on Burger King. In today's video, you are going to learn how to get refund from Burger King. So let's get started. First of all, figure out how you placed your order. If you ordered through the Burger King application or website, go to the Contact Us section and fill out the online form. And if you use a third-party delivery service like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Grubhub, contact their customer support directly. For in-person restaurant orders, reach out to the restaurant where you made the purchase. They may offer a replacement instead of a refund. Next, gather your order details and describe the issue clearly, such as missing items and incorrect orders. Attach photos or videos if available. Then submit your request through the application, website, or delivery platform's customer service. If you paid with a credit or debit card and cannot get a resolution, consider disputing the charge with your bank. Keep records of all communication and be patient. Refunds can take a few days to process. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.